Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is February 1st, 2021. We made it to February 1st. January is done. Okay, today, beautiful video. Volunteer. We found in the lake a person who was surfing. February 1st, you're gonna see the first surfer, I think, of the year. On my kindergarten art front, I have two things to say about the traumas that I still inherit from my second marriage. So I know I'm divorcing, but I developed a total repulsion towards people who are driving trucks, for instance. So every time I see a truck, okay, it's not a nice sight. What you hear, what you see. So I cannot handle trucks ever since I divorced. Then the second fact is, as you know, my ex-husband was Dutch. And although live and let live is my most favorite slogan in my recovery program, and my life improved immensely since I'm trying to practice this, there is some competition left. Rembrandt, this Dutch guy who died many centuries ago, still bugs me. So I am on a mission when it comes to my self-portraits. Number 6. Okay, number 6. This hair, this wig, in this color is one of many, one of at least 5 colors. So that's self-portrait number 6. This is number 8 because it's the same hair but blue. Okay. And I was out of canvases, so I had to use this for number 9 because I have a black one. Okay. So I have to use this because I have to go to the dollar store and buy more white canvases. 3 more colors are coming in this cut. So that's today. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Have a beautiful Monday, beautiful week, beautiful month. You can do whatever you want. It's up to you. To be happy, to be healthy, it's your choice. Choose wisely, I guess. Yep, choose wisely. Today,